We going for a drive. We're gonna find this tornado. Where you at, tornado? I ain't scared of no ghost. Hey everybody, B-Movie. Just going on a little tornado hunt. Supposedly it's right around the corner. I'm gonna go say hey. How you doing, little tornado? What you doing out here? This isn't your area. Can you kindly go away? It's raining hard. Should go to Quick Trip. Get a coffee. Who knows? See if I can find this damn thing. Going for a trip in my favorite rocket ship, soaring through the skies, little lost times. Oh shit, that's a lot of water. Oh, more water. I'm a boat. That way. That way. That way. We're going this way. Oh shit, that's a lot of water. I am not 100% sure I'm gonna make it back up that hill. We'll take the long way. Scenic route. Oh, more water. I'm a boat, motherfucker. I know, that's right. A lot of water. Let's go this way. Take on me. That might be a cop. Shh. Don't say anything. Play it cool. All right, they're gone. Oh, wheel spinning. No traction. I think I'm heading west. Bumpy. Shh. I can't tell if they're cops. Alright, we're coming back. I totally know what I'm doing. Totally know what I'm doing. Take video, he said. No, I didn't say get in your car and drive, dumbass. I know. I know. Look, I don't always think things through. That's part of what makes me me, you know? Little impulse decision. Turn signals, because I'm not a barbarian. Hurricane or not, manners are real. You know, it's gonna suck if this the tornado turns around, hits my house, and I'm not there. My dogs are still in the second story. I'm sure they'll be okay, I guess. Big one. The little one will use the big one. Let's go that way. I'm just gonna turn around the parking lot here. Oh, you guys are gonna see where I get my coffee in the morning. When I'm bitching about not having coffee in the morning, because I haven't gotten here yet. Whoa, Quick Trip. I'm actually go get a coffee now. I'm here. Shit. You know what? You guys, you just accompanied me on a coffee run. Congratulations. You made it. I made it. We all made it. This is my car. It's okay. I'm gonna go now. Oh, go away. Let's see. That's all I got. Bye.